Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, it's time for some practical Hakka right here on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice 彤。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph。
喂，冇睡嗎？
哦，昨天沒睡好。I'm sorry，
做壞事哦。
我係 Josephine。没有啦，我故意的啦，因为今天呢要教的就是跟睡觉有关，好了，好不好？
好。
The reason I fell asleep, it was intentional. Don't worry, I didn't doze off. Is because I want to teach people the word sleep and other terms associated with it. So let's start off with sleeping, 睡觉。
水母。
水母哦，好像水母哦。
不是啦，
好可愛哦。
水母。
哦，水母哦，可能是目眼睛对啊。
眼睛闭起來了，
要睡了。Let's create a sentence here. 时间很晚了，该睡觉了。这是常常妈妈会讲的话，对不对？ It's getting late. Go to sleep.
啱咯，好睡咯。
Is that really how you say it? Okay, it sounds like a mom right here. Alice is teaching us how to say it's getting late. It's time to go to bed. 啱咯，好睡咯。
Okay.
Let's go on to another phrase. 有的时候真的是睡不着，你知道吗？ I cannot sleep. I can't fall asleep. 睡不着。
睡唔落覺。
睡唔落覺. Okay, that means I can't fall asleep. So a sentence that we can make out of this is 昨天晚上睡不着. I just couldn't fall asleep last night.
錯啱補，睡唔落覺。
錯啱補，睡唔落覺. That's right. If you didn't get enough sleep last night, there's a huge possibility that you're gonna doze off during the daytime. 可能会打瞌睡，对不对？
所以你现在就在动木睡。
动木睡 Okay, that means dozing off. 上课不可以打瞌睡哦。If you go to class, that's the number one thing that the teacher will watch out for. So don't fall asleep or don't doze off during class.
上課做唔得，動木睡。
上課做唔得，讀木睡。All right, so be a good student. And then finally, 有的时候其实睡个午觉是好事的。
对，
会让你接下来精神百倍。对 ，So they say taking a nap is actually pretty useful. 睡午觉怎么说？
睡董豬。
睡董豬 ，All right。
那海陆腔，睡午觉，睡董豬。
哦，比較沒有豬的感覺了哦。That's a different dialect for saying taking a nap. 睡董豬。All right, let's say 我沒有睡午覺的習慣。I don't have the habit of taking a nap.
捱唔慣睡董豬。
捱唔慣睡董豬. That means I don't normally take a nap. We hope that you learned a lot from this lesson, and that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼太嘎？
安子 say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.